Thanks a lot, man.
Got a new special package from Wahl, and we're gonna do a bit of unboxing on this. Let's see what we got. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. It's nice. These out. Okay. Alright, so you've got the new Wahl Cordless Detailer Li, lithium ion, which is recently launched. So yeah, let's go and let's see what we got inside. Let's see the inside. So we've got the trimmer itself, the new cordless detailer Li. Just looks so amazing. I'm just gonna set it right here for a second and check out what else do we have inside the box. So we have the charger, which is slides right in. Then we have the charging dock, so that's where the charger would just sit in. A couple of attachment guide combs and the cleaning brush, the oil, the bigger cleaning brush. Right here, and we have a smaller clipper comb as well, the Wahl clipper comb. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me show you how this just sits right on top of it. So yeah, that's how the dock basically works.